You had 5 halves before you squared it, didn't you? Well, then that should be the square root of this number, is it? Okay? Connecting signs the same as that middle one. Plus 5 halves equal to, you got to combine this, so you need to have a common denominator. What are you going to get when you combine them?
2. No. 8. 3 and 3.
What is the answer you're going to get when you combine those two fractions? Whenever in doubt, put it in your calculator.
3 and 3/4. As a whole fraction.
As a fraction.
15 fourths.
That's what?
15 fourths.
15 fourths. Everybody agree with that? Because you multiply top and bottom here by 2, that's a negative 10 over 4s plus 25 over 4s. You got your 15 over 4. Now what's your next step? Take the square root of both sides. B plus 5 halves squared. I'm taking the square root of it. Now what do you put over here? Plus or minus square root of 15 over 4. I take this and multiply it by 2 over 2. So I got common denominators. Okay? Okay, square root of a square, this is going to come out. Plus or minus. Can we ever leave a fraction under a radical? Can we ever leave a radical in the bottom of a fraction? No. This is the same thing as square root of 15 over square root of 4, isn't it? Can't do anything with that one, but it's okay because it's in the top of the fraction. What about this one? It's a 2, isn't it? So this becomes b plus 5 halves equals plus or minus the square root of 15 over 2. How do you get b by itself? Subtract 5 halves from both sides. Over here that adds up to a 0 plus b, which is b. And over here we got negative 5 halves plus or minus the square root of 15 over 2. So your solution would be these two answers. Oh, excuse me. Question? All right, let's see. Why don't you do one on by yourself?
No.
Try number...
Let me do stuff.